Hathor and Tula are taking a short, relaxing vacation to Ghana in Africa. After numerous phone calls with the Nigerian police station, they've come to terms with the fact that Cindy will never be found and is no longer alive. The officer who handled Cindy's disappearance has also been missing for several months. Hathor and Tula have had a lot to process. Therefore, they're taking a break before returning to work on their house and property in Suriname. Although the tragic disappearance still haunts their minds, they will do everything they can to enjoy their vacation and maintain their joy and relaxation. Tula has booked a beautiful hotel where they will stay for the entire duration of their stay.
Thank you, we will.
Are you hungry?
What do you want to eat?
I'm starving. Let's get something delicious. Let's see what they have. Here you are. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you, it looks wonderful. So after this, we should go soak up the sun on the beach.
That sounds perfect, and then we can dance at the nightclub.
Hathor and Tula are enjoying the tropical weather in the hammock. They've quickly found their relaxation. Back home in Suriname, they'll continue converting their property into a beautiful healing resort and renovating their house. The joy is palpable after having consumed so many cocktails.
This is absolutely perfect.
It really is.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
This is amazing. Sir, we have a grave situation. A Nigerian officer. The officer himself has been missing for months. In Ghana, there are also many reports of missing people here. Something is wrong here. The Nigerian officer was last looking for Cindy, a friend of Hathor's who had gone missing during their vacation. Cindy was never found. We're going to take over this case. Let's go out.
Yes.
Let's go, that's fun.
Tula unsuspectingly walk out of the nightclub toward the hotel. They don't realize what's happening behind them. They're being hidden from the vampires behind them by their ancestors, who are protecting them. The nightclub transforms into a true nightmare. Hathor and Tula walk back to the hotel where they're staying, and are suddenly startled by strange noises coming from the nightclub they'd just left behind. They don't hesitate for a second and make sure they get out of there as quickly as possible.
What's that noise?
Hathor and Tula laugh about how they had just run away from the strange noises on their way to the hotel, but they soon learn from the news that something tragic had happened at the nightclub they had just left. Their fear was not unfounded.
That was absolutely amazing.
I know, I'm already looking forward to tomorrow.
The investigation revealed a tragic truth: no bodies were found. This is unbelievable.
Honey, so something was going on after all. It's the nightclub we were just at.
The couple in love decides to count themselves lucky they left the nightclub in time. They don't let this ruin their evening and bask in each other's love. As they fall into a deep sleep, they have a unique dream, as if they're experiencing a single dream journey with a special message. It's as if they're literally leaving their bodies and floating together in the universe, receiving protection. They see their ancestors, and Cindy also appears in the dream. It feels as if they're flying away just in time from a great danger approaching. They feel safe and protected in the dream, though they don't know that they're experiencing the same dream, and truly floating together in the universe.
That looks delicious. I'm gonna brush my teeth first.
Sir, we have a grave situation. Stay sharp, sweep the area. Copy that, sir. Moving in.
What is happening down there?
Oh my God, look!
Oh my God, that's the Nigerian cop!
What the hell is going on? Please, you have to help me. Officer, we saw vampires biting people.
And the officer from Nigeria, he was one too.
Please, officer, we need your help.
Tell me what you know about Cindy.
Cindy has been missing in Nigeria since last year and has never been found.
We will make sure you arrive home safely and Sherman.
Thank you, officer.
Now we know exactly what happened to Cindy in Nigeria.
Our ancestors protected us. The helicopter was our salvation.
Hathor and Tula have arrived safely at their home in Suriname. Even though they experienced a horrific situation, they are grateful to be alive, and they know what they must remain faithful to.
Because we are loyal to ourselves and our ancestors, we will always be protected from the vampires around us.
Yes, our spiritual protection is powerful. I am grateful.
Hathor and Tula meditate every day, ensuring they remain fully empowered and always maintain faith in themselves and their ancestors. It's clear that they have a deeply protected mission, and that they will be protected throughout their mission as long as they continue to follow and fulfill their assignment. I want to thank everyone for watching. I hope the message is well understood. No matter how many vampires enter your life, and how difficult your path may sometimes seem, if you persevere and always have faith in yourself and your ancestors, nothing will stand in your way. You will always be protected to complete your mission. You can support the page by liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel. Thank you. Until next time.